Ever wished you could capture exactly what you see on your Nikon D5600 screen for tutorials or to showcase settings? While your Nikon D5600 doesn't have a built-in screen recording feature like a smartphone, you can absolutely achieve this with a simple external setup. Think of it as giving your camera an external eye. The key to this workaround lies in the camera's HDMI output. Locate the HDMI port on your D5600. It's usually a Mini-HDMI port, so make sure you have the correct cable. Next, you'll need an HDMI cable that connects your camera to an external recording device. This could be a dedicated video recorder, a computer with capture card software, or even some modern laptops with the right input. Now, connect one end of your Mini-HDMI cable to your Nikon D5600's HDMI port, and the other end to the HDMI input on your chosen recording device or computer. Once connected, power on your Nikon D5600. You should see the live view from your camera's LCD screen appear on your recording device. Now, on your external recording device or computer software, you'll need to initiate the recording. The exact process will depend on your specific device, but generally, you'll be looking for a record button or similar function. This HDMI pass-through and record method is perfect for creating detailed guides on navigating your camera's menus, demonstrating specific shooting techniques in real time, or even capturing the exact output for troubleshooting purposes. So, while not a direct button press on the camera itself, with the right external gear, you can indeed record your Nikon D5600 and unlock a whole new level of informative content creation.